Welcome back to the garden, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm planting a couple of the Cheyenne Spirit Coneflowers. It says deer resistant, good cut flowers, attracts butterflies, sun to part shade. Got the hole dug already. So we'll put some biotone starter fertilizer, probably about a quarter, half cup. Hope everyone's doing great today. This is going to be a quick video. Whoa! Got a couple of these to get in the ground, one here and one in another low bed. This is on the south side of the house. Still got that quack grass in here. I do not wish that on anybody, as I've said before. Once you get it, you got it. Boy, got him pretty high here, but that's okay. High is good. Plant them high, they won't die. Plant them low, they won't grow. All right, there's that guy in the ground. Come back and get him watered in. Again, this is a Cheyenne Spirit. Let's see, 2 foot tall, 2 foot wide. Blooms June to September. Attracts hummingbirds. An exceptional award-winning rainbow mixture of native coneflowers that produces 3-inch wide, slightly fragrant blooms. Born on well-branched, sturdy stems, perfect for cutting. Literally a low-maintenance coneflower. Drought-tolerant, needs no staking. Very attractive to butterflies and provides winter interest in seed for the birds. Plant alongside baby's breath, coreopsis, and get gray feather and ornamental grasses. Plant in a well-drained to dry, nutrient-rich soil minted with organic matter. Water well after planting. Maintain 1 inch of water once a week the first year. Plant tone and hour tone in spring or at planting. I use biotone starter fertilizer when I plant. Divide in spring every 4 years, it says. So we'll be accomplishing that, I suppose. Hopefully, if I remember. I'm going to have to get a garden journal, I guess, and start getting a little more organized with my garden because I'm getting kind of large. All right, there's that spot. Now I've got the same thing in another location, so we'll go do it. I'll have to get you guys, move you around, and you can see the leaves are falling, things are turning. You got to do some grass cutting and some weeding. I think I'm going to move these 3 silver lining artemisias back there with those that where it just came from, because those back there are looking better than these. Miss Molly's still going to town. Had a couple of monarch butterflies on it yesterday, actually. I noticed. Here's yesterday we planted the dressed up evening gown, heuchera. Managed to keep critters off of them last night anyway, for the first night. Here's some dahlias blooming. Here's where we're putting the other Cheyenne Spirit. Now, Cheyenne Spirit, for those of you who may not know, is supposed to be a coneflower with multiple colors on it. And so far, this is the 3rd one that I'm putting in the ground this year. And as you just saw, the last one was red, like this one. I don't know what color, but you can see here on the tag, if you can see that, there's red, yellow, orange. There's all the colors are on one plant, supposedly. But like I said, this is the third one I've planted. The first one, everything's got this gold color on it. Every one of them's been gold. There hasn't been any other colors. And these two are just having the red on them so far. So we'll see what transpires from all that. Also, I'm going to be having a giveaway for those of you who like to grow things from seeds. Oh, I forgot to put the Biotone starter fertilizer in there. Probably put about a half a cup. I have collected from one of the Sombrero Lemon Yellow Coneflowers. I've gathered seeds. I've got seeds to give away for those. Now, I have never grown coneflowers from seed before, and I can't guarantee that these Sombrero Lemon Yellow Coneflower seeds that I'm giving away, can't guarantee they'll come true to Lemon Yellow Sombrero, because I don't know. Like I said, I've never grown anything coneflowers from seed. I've got enough of them. I'm giving away some, and I'm going to do a little bit. I'm going to grow a few of them myself this winter. So, in order to win the seeds, comment on this video down below. Tell me you would like to win the seeds, and make a comment about this video. The way this is going to work, when we hit 100 subscribers, everyone that has commented, name will be put in a pot. We'll draw out a name. The way I want to do it is, if you just put in a comment and say, yes, I want to win the seeds, you get a half an entry. If you put in a comment, germane to the video, you get, plus say you want to win the seeds, you get one entry into. So this is be my 53rd video I've uploaded. So you can go to every video, put a comment germane to that video, and say you want to win the seeds, and get your name put in the pot 53 times. Or you can just do it once and get your name in there once. Or you can just say, I want to win, and get it in there half the time. The half won't work, obviously. If you only do that, then you have to get up to at least one there somehow or another. All right, so there's that one in the ground. And there we have it for this video. And again, I'm giving away Sombrero Lemon Yellow Coneflower seeds. And to enter, make comments. Either put a comment and say you want to win them, get your name in there a half a time, or go to all 50. I think I've got 52, 53. This will be my 53rd video, I think. So you can do 50 of the videos and make a comment germane to that video and say you want to win the seeds, and you'll get your name in there 50 times if you do that on 50 of the videos. I understand if you don't want to do all 50 videos. Understand that. But just giving everybody more of a chance if they so choose to do it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're able to get into your garden. And if you're not, I hope this suffices to give you a little bit of gardening, some of the garden life. Have a great day, guys. Ciao.